Greetings everyone. Welcome to Say Shadow Transformation. So today we'll be focusing on this concept, transformation of a line. How to transform a line from a given image of object of a line to form image of a line under a certain matrix. For instance, you are given this question: find the equation. Find the equation of the image. We are asked to find the equation of the image. Um, of the line y is equals to 3x plus 4. We are given this equation. Y is equals to 3x plus 4. Since we are given the equation y is equals to 3x plus 4 and a matrix M, we are given the matrix M also. Matrix M is given by 1, 0, 0, minus 3. This is matrix minus 3. This is matrix M. Right. So in order to transform a line, we have two methods. So first method, we have to find the general points, the general 2 points from this question. So for the general point, let the general points be A and B. So for the first one, we have to say, since this one is a line in the form y is equals to mx plus c, so we have to let x be 0. So when x is 0 here, simplify y is equals to 4. So 0, 4 is the first general point. The second general point, we have to let, since this one is 0, so we can let any point, even 1000, if 100. So but we can let the smallest value. So let x be 1. So 1 by 3, which is 3 plus 4 is 7. So which means the points here is 1, 7. So we have these general points and the matrix M. So second step, we have to write this one in a matrix form, a 2 by 2 matrix form. We know this one is x and y, so we have to write it in a column form. So 0, 4, then even also this one 1, 7, 1, 7. So now we have these. We have these points. Then we have to multiply. We have to multiply our points. Right. So we have to multiply our points. This point, since we have this matrix from these 2 points, this matrix and this one, so we have to say this matrix multiplied by this matrix, so as to get the image matrix or image coordinates. So first we have to find the image coordinates by multiplying this matrix, multiplying this matrix. So we have to write this matrix here. So the matrix M should be at the first, so which is 1, 0, and 0 minus 3, multiplying this matrix. What the product? This one is the matrix multiplication of 2 by 2 matrices. So which means the result is 2 by 2 matrices. 2 by 2 multiplying 2 by 2 matrix. The result is 2 by 2 matrix. So let's multiply these two. Right. So 1 times 0 plus 0 times 4. 1 times 0 is 0 plus 0 is 0 here. Then 1 times 1 plus 0 times 7, which is 1 here. Then 0 times 0 is 0 plus minus 12 here. Then this one by this one is 0. 0 by minus 0 by 1 is 0. Then since 0 by 1 is 0, plus minus 3 times 7, which is minus 21. This is minus 21 here. So this one is these are the coordinates of the image. These are the coordinates of the image. For now, in order to find the equation, we have to write this one in point form, in coordinate form. 0, 2, which is 0 minus 12, 0 minus 12, minus 12, then b, which is 1 minus 21. But these are the image coordinates. So in order to find the equation of a line, You know, equation of line should be in the form y is equals to mx plus c. So in order to find the equation of a line, we have to find the gradient first. How to find the gradient? You know, the gradient is calculated by y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So simply we have to say minus 21 minus um minus 21 minus 12. Since you said y2 minus y1, this one is y2 minus y1, but we have the negative on the formula for calculating the gradient. So minus 21 minus 12, which is minus 21 plus 12. Simply minus 21 plus 12, which is something which is negative, like 21 minus 12. 21 minus 12, this one becomes 9 here. So the value is 9. So 9 over, without finding the gradient, 9 over 1 minus 0, which is we said minus 21 plus 12, which is minus 9 over, which is the gradient here, minus 9 over 1 minus 0 is 1. So simply gradient is minus 1. So gradient is minus 9, sorry. So my gradient is minus 9. Since you have the gradient minus 9, you can actually find the equation of a line using any of these two from these 2 points. So we can we just say y minus 12, which is y plus 12 over x minus 0 is equals to minus 9 over 1. Cross multiplication in order to find the equation of a line. So the equation of a line is given by this one, y y plus 12 equals this one by this one minus 9x, this one by this one becomes 0. So we have to write the equation in the form y is equals to mx plus c. Y is equals to mx plus c. So y is equals to minus 9x minus 12. So this one is the equation of the image. This one is the equation of the image from a certain matrix and the equation of the object. Let's now move on second method on how to find the equation of the image from the equation of the object and a certain matrix M. Let's move on second method. You'll be able to choose the method which is simple for you. You'll be able to choose. It's either method number 1 or method number 2. So let's move on method number 2. We already talked about the general way of finding the image. You already said from the previous episode, x prime y prime is equals to a b c d multiplied by point x and y. But for now we have this matrix. We already have this matrix, this one. All right. Since we have this matrix already, we can substitute. Then, but we don't have x and y, and also we don't have x prime y prime. Since we want to find the equation of the image, so we want to find these ones, the equation of the image from the object. So for this point, we can just let this point, let point x be equals to k. Let x is equals to k. So we have to substitute here k, then substitute here k. So if x is equals to k, which means y is equals to 3k plus 4, we can actually substitute here from the general equation, and we already have the coordinates of this matrix, which is 1 0 0 minus 3 and k 3k plus 4. Right. This is the first um, stage. Let's move on the second stage. For second stage, we have to multiply these two. We have to multiply these two. So x prime is equals to this one by this one, which is k, plus that one, which is k. Right. Y prime is equals to this one by this one is 0, 0 by this one by this one is 0. Minus 3 times this one, which is minus 9k minus 12. Right. Since you have this one is equation 1 and this one is equation 2. Right. This for this step you have to make k subject formula from any of these two. Since we already have k is equals to x prime, it's already in subject formula. But if it is not in subject formula, you have to make k subject formula. But k is already open since k is equals to x prime. So you have to substitute. So you have to substitute k by x prime. Y prime is equals to minus 9. Since we said k is equals to x prime, so we have to substitute k by x prime minus 12. But you already know that we have what you call the invariant point, the point which does not change. Even if you transform the point, this point after a certain transformation, it remains constant. It does not change. It's either shape, direction, size. Anyway, this is what you call an invariant. So for invariant, we know that x for invariance, we know that x prime is equals to x and y prime is equals to y. So for this one, we have to interchange. Instead of writing y prime, we have to write y. Since y prime is equals to y, then x prime is equals to x. So instead of writing x prime and y prime, we have to substitute by x and y. So the equation of the image is now minus 9x minus 12. So this is how to find the equation of the image from these two methods, method number 1 and method number 2. When you are given the equation of the object and a certain matrix M. Thank you guys for being together for this episode. Hope you benefited from this episode. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and even subscribe. You know, guys, I want to tell you something. If you subscribe to my YouTube channel, you won't miss every new release video. Mainly each and every week I will release a video. So if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, you won't miss any video. Thank you guys.